Welcome to this tutorial on the SumIf and SumIfs formulas. These two formulas allow us to add amounts based on criteria. In this example, we have the January 2016 sales report. It's broken down between 3 employees and it looks like 4 products. And we want to know how much did each of these 3 employees sell. Now you could go through here and manually look each one up and add them, but that's going to take too long and we're lazy. That's why we use Excel, right? So we're going to start off using the SumIf formula equals SumIf parenthesis. It's asking us for a range. This is the criteria range, and because our criteria is the name of the employee we want to look up, we're going to highlight the range of employees and then hit F4. Our criteria we want equal to the name, which in this case is Susan, and our sum range, which is going to be the amounts that we actually want added, and hit F4. Now what this is saying is, based on all of these values here, every time it equals Susan, add it to the total. So it's going to go through this list and say, up Susan, here at 150, up Susan, 175, up Susan, 120, etc., etc. It's all the way down to the bottom of our range, which is going to be B25. Close the formula, hit enter, and then we're going to do Ctrl+d to down. Now, one way to spot check your work just to make sure you're doing it right and you have no typos over here, we're going to highlight these cells. At the very bottom it says a sum of 3,960, and now we're just going to highlight these and make sure it says 3,960, and it does. So that's good. We did it right. Now I just want to know how much each of these 3 employees sold for product 2 and product 2 only. That means we have 2 criterias. Not only do I need to know the employee, I need to know the product, which is going to be product 2. So we have 2 criterias. We need to use the SumIfs formula. The sum range is actually going to be first, and the SumIf formula is last. So we're going to select the sum that we want actually added. Hit F4 here. Criteria range 1. We can go ahead and do the first criteria is the employee. Hit F4. We want the criteria 1 to equal the name, comma again. Now we're on to criteria range 2. So the second criteria is the product. We want it equal to product 2. Hit F4. Criteria we want equal to product 2. We want to select any of these product 2s over here and then just hit F4. And what this is doing is saying, okay, find me product 2 within the product list, find me Susan within the employee list, and based on if it equals product 2 and it equals Susan, add the amounts. Now hit enter. Ctrl+d. And now we have each of the employees' total sales for product 2. Hope you found these 2 formulas useful. Until next time, thank you.